Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your Plurk account password. Sometimes you may forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Plurk account password, first click on browser. Go to plurk.com, plurk.com. Click on sign in button shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your nickname. Password. After typing your nickname and password, click on login button. To reset your password, click on forget your password. Enter your email or nickname. Click on send resetting email. Check your email for the password reset link. Click on the email. Click on the link. Create your new password. Your new password should be at least 6 characters, combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. Retype your new password. Click on change password. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.